In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a co-pilot in Expensify. This is a great way to ensure that your team can efficiently manage their expenses with the help of a trusted colleague. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you want to head over to your Expensify workspace. This is the main hub where you can access all your important information and settings. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to look for the Account option. It's typically located in the upper section of the interface and gives you access to various settings related to your profile and account management. Next, click on Security. This will direct you to the Security Settings page, which is the gateway to managing your account's permissions and access rights. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Copilot. This is where you'll start the process of assigning a copilot to your account. Once you click Add Copilot, a menu will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. This menu will prompt you to select someone from your existing contacts. For today's demonstration, we'll use a placeholder contact. It's important that you choose someone trustworthy, as they'll have access to your expenses. After you've picked your copilot, the system will prompt you to choose the level of access you wish to grant them. The options available are Full and Limited. For this tutorial, we'll choose Full to ensure they have comprehensive access to your expense management. With the access level set, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking on Add Copilot. Doing this will send a verification code to your registered email address. This safeguard ensures that recent changes to account access are authorized by the account owner. Keep an eye on your email, and once you've received the code, enter it in the space provided within Expensify and click Verify. Completing this step confirms that the Copilot edition is valid and approved by you. To wrap things up, it's always a good idea to double-check that everything was set up correctly. Navigate to Accounts, then Security, and finally, Copilot, Delegation Access. Here, you should be able to see the newly assigned user listed, confirming that they now have Copilot access. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added a Copilot to your Expensify account. This should help streamline your expense reporting process and ensure everything runs smoothly with a little extra help. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to explore the help options within Expensify or reach out to their support team.